the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program registrations are now open, and in this video we'll go through the complete registration step by step. I'll show you everything: how to register, how to set up your Google profile, public profile, and the gear profile setup. Nothing skipped. We will do each part slowly and carefully, so just follow along with me. I already made one separate video covering end to end about this program, how the points and milestone works, and the smart move to actually win the free Google Swags. If you have not yet watched, I'll give the link in the description. Watch it. Now let's get started. This is the official page. Let's click on this enroll in the program here. Couple of steps they have given to us. Very first thing, keep this mail address in your mailing list so that the mail whatever you are going to receive, it will not go to the spam or junk folder. Even if you not added this also, just verify your spam and junk folder. That is straightforward. Enter your facilitator team referral code or sign up with one and get if you have the referral code you can enter it. Again, if you don't have, do not worry, it is an optional. Okay, again I'm just repeating, it's optional. Automatically it will be assigned to you. Open this skills.google.com, click on join, continue with Google, enter your date of birth. I'm just giving something, I accept. Take your mobile, open camera and scan this. Then you will be seeing something like this. Click on confirm verification. Then finally you will see this on your mobile. We can join this little later, just for close now. Let's keep our account public. Click on settings, keep whatever the name you want, give some name, make profile public, select this, don't miss it. Click on update settings. So you will see this kind of link. Copy this in a notepad. Make sure that you just give your right name here. Last name is nothing but your surname. Okay, all right, we are done the step 3. Now we are going to complete this step 4. For that you have to open, click on this, click on sign in here. Make sure that you sign in with the same account, same Gmail account where you created the profile here, right? You just click on this join gear, become member. You just enter your city. Suppose you are a student, just mention your college name, give your first name and last name properly, whatever you have given on the profile right here. Same thing, you just give it. I'm going to give same exactly. Okay, click on submit. So this is how it looks. Once you see it, you just click on view profile and you will see badges, something like this. Okay, gear Gemini enterprise agent ready. Once you complete that, you have to make sure that your profile should be public. For that, click on settings, public. Don't forget this radio button. That's it guys, overall related to gear. Now we are going back to the step number 5. Complete arcade games first. It is recommended that you complete the arcade games. Yeah, I already mentioned all these details, how to complete your games as well, and what is the benefit of completing the games first. Just click on this enroll in the program here. Click on I am not a robot. Okay guys, this is the form we have to fill it. They already mentioned what need to be done. We already discussed in the previous video. Just look into that. Just select this checkbox, don't forget, so that you are going to get all the responses. Click on next, terms and conditions. I accept. Make sure that you are logging with the same email ID where you have created the Google public account and where you created the gear. That is very important. Click on next. Fill your details. Exactly give whatever we filled in the profile. Guys, you just give the exactly same name, full name with surname, you should give it. Whatever you filled it in the Gear profile and the Google public profile. Select the gender, country. So basically we are from India. So selecting India. If you are student, select the student. If you are working, just mention working. Choose your graduation year. For example, you have completed your graduation before 2026, or you are going to complete your graduation within this year, then you just mention. For example, I'm mentioning 2027. Do you have the referral code for the facilitator team? As I mentioned, if you don't have the referral code, do not worry. If you have it, you can mention it here. In my case, I don't have it, so I'm just keeping no. Just click on next. Do you have an account Google Skills? Yes, I already have account with. Just you mentioned, since we created the new badges, right? So you just mention this way. Suppose if you have existing account, then mention it. I acknowledge. Click on next. Very important, please share your Google Skills public profile. This is the skills.google public profile. What is that? This one. Just copy this. Copy, paste it here, guys. Very important. You notice, right? I copied my profile ID. Enter the email address connected with the Google Skills public profile URL, and just giving the Gmail address which I used for it. All these are sample Gmail which I created just to demonstrate to you. Okay, click on next. What is Gear? We already done this. Go to Gear page, sign in, join Gear. We already done this. All these steps, right? Verified. How you can verify? Suppose you have not done. This is the badge. You should see it. That's what they are saying. Okay, done. Submit your Google Developer Profile URL. We already submitted, right? Paste the exact URL generated by share icon on your profile. Go here. This is the one. Click on this. Share. Okay. Paste it here. Understood, guys? You should be very careful. That is the reason they are clearly mentioning give the right details. Okay. We are done. Okay. Now I'm going to submit it. Next. By completing the submit this form, you declare that yes, I acknowledge. I acknowledge. We'll look into this all these things once I receive the confirmation mail. Click on submit. Guys, this is how it looks. Just I received mail also. You can see that 0 minutes ago. You must be seeing this kind of mail. Whatever I filled, I got complete form here. Just for my reference. This is how you are going to get the confirmation email. Okay. Form receipts it is. That is for the registration. Go ahead and complete your registration as soon as possible before the last date. Don't leave it for later because seats fill up fast. I'll keep making follow-up videos on this program, so stay tuned for those. If you found this video helpful and like my efforts, smash that like button. That gives more motivation to create more videos like this. All the very best. I'll see you in the next video.